Yo, what's up, family? This is Tanna, the bad boy of tech. But peeps, I haven't did one of these type videos in over a year now, but the first couple of times I did them, the views were pretty damn good. And then I got people hitting my inbox asking me when I'm going to do another one. Yes, indeed. This right here is a swag session. Now, as you can see, I got the Jordan box on deck and everything. And I'm not a Jordan person per se. I'm more of an Air Max guy, anything like that. But back in the day, I used to be heavy into mics. And I saw these damn Jordans right here. And I had to get them because the twist to the nostalgia and everything was too damn lit. So enough of me yapping. It's time to start unpacking. Let's go. All right. Inside the box, I had to snatch these boys up. Oh yeah. Yes sir, yes sir. Man, these Jordans right here are a nice fusion between the ones and the threes, but then right here, got the Air Revolution buckle, the first Barclays. Yes sir, yes sir. Man, oh man, people. The elephant skin on here is right on point. The Air Jordan simple in the back, the Jumpman with the air up under it, pretty damn lit. Got the soles from the threes, got the front of the ones, got the Nike check from the ones. Man, these right here are pretty lit, no doubt about it. And as far as the bottom of the shoe, let's see what it do. Here they are right here. Yes, indeed. Stock Air Jordan 3 soles. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, peeps, let me show you the Tech Swag in Life, the TSL shirt that goes perfect with these. Check this out. Now, the perfect shirt to go with this here Jordan right here, man, the B Woods TSL, yes sir shirt. No doubt about it. Look at the red, the white, and the black in the shirt. Epic matchup. You can truly be legendary and never secondary with this setup. And if you're interested in copping the shirt, the link is in the description below. Yes sir, yes sir. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up because that's official. Yes sir, yes sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Tanna and Team Lit, then do that too because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.